Guys, welcome to YouTube channel. Today's video upwork finding the best job e-commerce jobs professional on Upwork rating client 4.9 hash 5 find work 20-year e-commerce freelancer. Check out sample of 10 368 e-commerce freelancer job post on Upwork. E-commerce marketing special selected IVR essential for marketing manager and marketing association, especially on join our e-commerce company. We are looking e-commerce candidate management research marketing strategy e-commerce jobs sport file stat 12 per needed to join exchange project for last 10 3 hours week more than 6 months intermediate expert level class express coding program manage flexible price posted 11 hours $100 fixed price troubleshoot software medfed expert 3 plus hours week more than 6 months expert expert level duration course need. We are looking to modify climate forward software to our requirement successful application will receive regular work so our e-commerce design web designing web application data discussion customer PPHI PHP data 12 job e-commerce website API integration sales engineer integration and support 3 hours week hours needed 3 to 6 months direction expert level. We are needed a full stack engineer work with sales a customer successful them to help with increase order and any touch support. Your next job is right here. Step 3 profile for showing your skill. Experience in designing per rating client. You are choose the payment method that best. You are easy get paid your work. Upwork payment protection. Learn how to find a great client on Upwork. Finding job for other employment skill. Candidate management jobs. Marketing strategy IPI jobs. Browsing and buy related project. How to here choose your way get work done. Pending freelancing run project 2AR reward work marketplace fan tells looking to get let's go to work building relationship and create your own vertical talent picture tweet project from quick transmission post a job and here to grow contact with LinkedIn that get you with talent marketplace post your job on the work marketing and wait for possible upload information or advice to agreement help your shortlist candidate who are best check profile line and reviews before you give something a green browse and buy project start critical work right ways project include either escape the Goose workshop project already planned for your needed grant them the best no need to create jobs shifting target shortlist just price buy and planning always with clear explain for start take the fast lane to the right delete list up point point pinpoint the talent the reach your global and 10 short target biggest and goals and we go to select your shortlist on our best talent all profanity takes it four ways to use upwork is the words where marketplace they are more than used upwork it latest that work for from quick project transparent and major strategy transmission business and all size and develop trust relationship team is needed to develop and grow the sales approval you have parent to help choosing the right the job and matter where for similar browser project market and directory access talent unless check the perfect checking qualification run check interviews you are safely with use get what you and on holiday content keystore and track random screenshot of freelancers screen so you can use partner in the time on fixed price contract you are agree manager and only pay with choose your or hit are in place once you are sign in get owner online space to manage your project use is screenly and send and receive file give real time feedback and make payment and all your above load your when download app frequency is get question what web project can I do it upwork anything people currently do on computer popular tasks are web mobile and software loyal designing work copyright but you can also layers accounted so thanks for watching subscribe my YouTube channel for latest mission update